Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another reaction. This is actually the third video that I've done tonight now because fucking in this moment decided to fucking block again. Fucking SME, WMG, fucking blocks. So, I'm going to jump into the comments. Because I've just had, where did it go? Go into the comments. I'm going to have to search for it. Tom Green says, everyone loves a bit of ginger. Right. No messing about. React to Infected Rain, Orphan Soul. Right now. You will honestly raise your Scottish beer to me and thank me. Okay, right. So, Tom, this one's for you, dude. The beer is here. I'm going to put the beer back down. If the song is good, we shall raise said beer and drink. Drink to the beer. Drink to the fucking God knows what. So, this one's on you, Tom. This one's on you. If you're watching, if I don't like it, it's your fault, Tom. It's your fault. It's your fault, Tom. Hashtag it's Tom's fault. So, this one is Infected Rain, Orphan Soul. Official music video. The beard is here, Tom. The beard is here. I'm going to put it there. This one's for Tom. This isn't good. Oh, hello. Hello, tattooed female vocal person. I'm guessing. Is she the vocalist? This better be good, Tom. You're listening, Tom. This one's for you, Tom. Oh! Ho, 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 ho! Tom could be on to a winner here. Look at them cleans in the background. Yes! Oh, hello. Okay, she's fucking awesome. Fucking funky drums. Fucking yes! She's not fucking about. Yeah! She does not fuck about. Yeah, these are going on the playlist. Oh, we're not done. We're not done. We aren't done. Hold them horses. like these a lot. They've got a different sound. Are we done now? Naughty Bear, why are you so naughty? If you've played Naughty Bear the game. Tom, Mr. Tom. Good night, Mr. Tom. It was a good World War film. The beer. This is for you, sir. The beer is raised. Let's fucking have this. Here we go, Tom. That one is for you. Woo! Fucking hell. What a song. They go hard. They're good. I like that girl. She's just so pissed off. She's like... A lot better than that. Right down the camera. Said Scottish beer. That one's for you, Tom. So there we go. Infected Rain with Orphan Soul, was that? Where's it gone? Where's the video gone? I'm not being professional at all. I'm gonna have to go into the... Where's it gone? Orphan Soul. There it is. So, oh, there's a lot of them by them as well. They could be a band to check out more of. Thank you very much to Mr. Tom Green, I think his name was, in the comments. Beer raised, beer drank. I like that a lot. So, we will give a quick shout out, like we always do, to the said patrons. We have Miss Liz Cobble-K, Michael Collins, John Hurley, Graham Gold, Cupid Stunts, Archon, and Esteban Montero Bustamante. He sounds like a ghetto gangster version of Busta Rhymes. It's the worst Busta Rhymes impression ever, but anyway, you get the gist. Yeah, thank you to your awesome patrons. Thank you to Tom. That one's for you, Tom. There's another one done, dusted, and in the bag. There would have been a second video up by now, but no, in this moment, Adrenalize Me was not allowed on YouTube. Wasn't allowed. So I'm going to put that on the website for all you wonderful people to watch. So yeah, there you have it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you, Tom. It's a good song. Thank you, Tom. Everyone thank Tom in the comments. That was down to him. Thanks, Tom. Right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Take care, and yeah, bye for now.